In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to use type variance with local variables. So what is type interference? Java has been progressively working on reducing the verbosity from syntax. First it was diamond operator and now it is var local variable type to declare variables in Java. When you are using var to declare the variable, basically instead of declaring a variable type, it assumes its type from what is being set. For example, var str is equals to hello world. So here we cannot define the data types of str, but it will be like var type, and var type is automatically compiled as a string types. So we can also write as string str is equals to hello world. In first statement, you are setting a string to variable str, so it is implicitly assumed to be of string type. First statement is essentially equivalent to second statement in above example. Var declaration and initialization at same time. When using var, you must initialize the variable at same place. You cannot put declaration and initialization as different places. If you do not initialize the variable in place, then you will get compilation error. Cannot use var on variable without initializer. For example, var I. It is an invalid declaration. It cannot use var on variable without initializer. And if we use var j is equals to 10, then it is variable valid declaration. So variable declaration and initialization both can be done at same time. Next is var is not a keyword. Though look like var is not a reserved Java keyword, so you can create variables with name var. It is allowed. For example, var is 10. It is completely fine because var is not a keyword in Java. Or if I write int var is equals to 10, it is also a valid declaration. Var uses. Using var is restricted to local variables with initializer, index in the enhanced for loop and locals during declared in a traditional for loop. It would not be available for method formals, constructor formals, method returns times fields, catch formals or any other kind of variable declaration. Uses allowed as local variable with initializers, index in enhanced for loop, local declared in traditional for loop, and uses not allowed as method parameters, constructor parameters, method return types, class fields, and catch formals. Let's see the code how to use type variance in Java. Let's see the example of type interference. First of all, we create a class type interference and the Java local variable in Java 10 using LVTI local variable type interface is used in Java 9 onwards. So we have to install the latest version of Java inside it, or we can save the any Java versions above Java 9. So I have already installed the JDK 13 here. So first of all, we make a class Java type interference, and inside the main method we make a variable. That is, we cannot provide the data type here. We just write the data type as var, and we provide the variable name x and write the and give the value string here, that is hi there. And then system.out.println x, we print the value that we have provided. And then we use a array which is of integer type, and here we use the 1 2 3 as array values, and by using for loop we traverse this array. So for traversing we use another variable, that is y, and here we don't use the variable name as int or any data types. We just write var here because we are not going to give them any data types, but these data types are assigned at compile time, or we can say that at runtime, because these usually happens with type interference. So we write system.out.println arry. Just save it. Let's execute it. javac type interference.java. It compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will print hi there 1 2 3. Hi there is the variable x and 1 2 3 is variable y. So in this way we use the type interference to in Java. Thank you.